didn't have a sophisticated laboratory or any sophisticated equipment, just using a telescope. And when did he do that? When he was traveling to England. He was traveling over the ocean in a ship, and that time it used to take 30 days to reach England, and he was sailing. And everybody, what is the general conception? Why the sea water is blue? Yeah. That is totally wrong. That is what people thought earlier. Because sky is blue, then why sky is blue? Because water. Yeah, that is correct. It is a scattering of light.
Now the technology has changed so much. Everybody has a mobile, everybody has a WhatsApp. You can do video call, you can see what's happening throughout the world. So the communication has increased so much that we will know everything what's going in the world. So earlier days with the technology was not that great. So the science has made, lot of changes and new developments in which our human lives, making every human endeavor systematic. This development is led to educate literate individuals in terms of science and technology, or individuals who
this exhibition, which is called as Junior Scientist Exhibition, where you will be competing for your working models for the prizes. Sri Ramchandra Raghoji, President of this Raghoji Trust, Principal Professor Pramod Malaika, my good old friend and colleague, Professor Ambika Prasad, all fellow teachers and all my young minds, the young students. First of all, as I said, we are very much delighted to see such young faces, because the future of India depends on you. Always, if you are reminded of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, ignite the young minds. Pramod Malaika, my good old friend and colleague, Professor Ambika Prasad, all fellow teachers and all my young minds, the young students. First of all, as I said, we are very much delighted to see such young faces, because the future of India depends on you. Always, if you are reminded of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, ignite the young minds.
And we can, if anyone on the borewell company field timings, so we can select these schedules as per the electricity.
So the communication has increased so much that we will know everything what's going in the world. So earlier days with the technology was not that great. So the science has made, lot of changes and new developments in which our human lives, making every human endeavor systematic. This
when sun rays enter the atmosphere, see, Earth is the only country in the universe. Earth is the only place, planet in this universe which has atmosphere. We are looking for atmosphere elsewhere, on moon or elsewhere. But what is the role of atmosphere? What is atmosphere? Is the air. Air has oxygen, it has different gases. And Earth has to receive the sun rays through the atmosphere. You can imagine Earth is here, sun is here. In between there is no vacuum, there is air. And what is the angle of sun with respect to the sun, Earth? It is very low. And the light has to travel more distance at low inclination angle. Therefore, red light is scattered more. But when sun is not rising or falling, who is moving? is only the earth. Earth moves west to east or east to west. India is the best.
Good morning to everyone. Today in Shri Damodar Raghoji Memorial School, we have come up with a science exhibition. So for this science exhibition, we have given a title as a junior scientist, and the classes participating for this science exhibition are grade 3, 4 and 5, 6. Two categories we have made. For category 1 is for grade 3 and 4, and category 2 is for grade 5 and 6. Nearly 10 schools are participating with overall 25 models. And the criteria for this is the working model has to be present. The main intention behind the competition is on 10th September every year we celebrate the Founders Day in the memory of Shri Damodar Raghoji. So in the memory of Shri Damodar Raghoji, this year we have come up with a science exhibition with a title called Junior Scientist. The main intention for grade 3, 4 and 5, 6 is that every school or every society, whichever come up with the science exhibition, basically they come for the higher section. But we want to put it for the lower section because we want to showcase their talent. We want to give them a platform. Just watch the talent of the kids and enjoy it. Thank you.